Lighted tool backpack. LED light can be easily directed at work area or into backpack to help identify tools and parts. 3 levels of light output allow adjustment for wide area illumination or close-up work. Light output 39 lumens max. Comfortable to carry. This tool backpack comes with padded web carrying handles and adjustable shoulder straps and large pads on back for extra comfort. Durable tool backpack. This heavy-duty tool backpack comes with base pad feet to help reduce wear and abrasion. 57 pockets. This tool backpack features 48 multi-use pockets inside and 9 pockets outside to help organize your favorite tools, parts and accessories. Store all of your tools and accessories. This durable tool backpack holds drills, extensions cords, pliers, screwdrivers, wrench sets, drill bits, testers and much more. Top reviews from the United States. Great bag. I bought this for my son. He has had it for almost a year now. Carries it back and forth to work every day. He loves it. Very durable.